I have started with a 24-inch square, and I'm going to fold this in half to create a nice little even grid. I just finger press one way and then finger press the other way. So I have a nice equal grid to place my sweet little pumpkins. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my sweet little pumpkin in the center. Kind of line up the angle of the pumpkin with the point, which is here. Okay. Then I'm going to place, I think I'll put my leaf there. And I'm going to put the other leaf maybe somewhere down here. I don't know, we'll play with that. Then I'm going to take my, I love these, my little curlies, and I'm going to put them like so. You can arrange them any way you like, and then I'm going to repeat that in each 4 quadrant. Okay, as you can see, I have all my pumpkins fused in place. Now it's time to take it to the sewing machine and do my applique stitching. If you need a video on that, I will have a link below, and you can click on that to see a great tutorial on doing applique stitching. And then after that, it's time for the quilting machine. Stay tuned.